Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. In this video, I am going to talk about nail clipping. But before discussing the nail clipping, the anatomy of the nail is required for understanding the stages of the nail clipping. So you can see over here, this is the nail, and the nail is a plate like. So this is the nail plate. The nail has got the three parts. One is the root of the nail. This is the root of the nail, which is just under the flesh of the finger. The other is body of the nail. You can see over here, this is the body of the nail, and the other is free edge of the nail. This is the free edge of the nail. The nail has got the three folds. One is the proximal fold. You can see over here, this is the proximal fold, and the proximal fold is thickened here at the edge. This thickened area of the proximal fold is called a cuticle, and the another name for the cuticle is the eponychium. So it has the two lateral folds. You can see over here, this is the one and this is the another. And just look at your finger, you will see a crescent shape whitish area in the nail, but this area is not visible here in this nail. You will see here in your finger, this area is called lanula. This area is called lanula. And you can see over here, there is a groove in between the nail fold in the nail. This groove you can appreciate here. This groove is called a nail groove, and the skin just beneath the nail is called the nail bed. You can see over here, this is the nail bed, which is the skin just beneath the nail. So any changes in the nail bed, the cuticle, and the nail fold, you understand in the nail clubbing. So this was all about nail anatomy. For more videos, subscribe, like, and share.